Day one. Ready to rock and roll. This shit should be fucking crazy. Excited, Alan's back there. Gotta get everything loaded up in the truck. The truck will take off before us and then meet us in Greenbrier, Virginia. Bloody hell, huh? Almost made it to the first stop. We're in Pennsylvania as of right now. Good run, fun.
Shit. Son of a bitch.
Oh no. To the Greenbrier. Where were we? West Virginia?
Yes.
Fucking crazy ass ride. All rainy.
Hi.
My turn.
Hi.
How you doing?
Do you all need some masks?
No, we have some.
You're good?
Thank you. Look at this fucking castle, bro. Holy crap. Made it! Jesus Christ. In these buckets all day. Shit, bro. How you feeling? All beat up? Dude, this place is insane, bro.
Check-in is downstairs and to the left.
Okay. Yep. $66.45. How do we get there?
I'm not really sure. I just started here now.
Oh.
There is an elevator at the end of the hallway.
Okay.
They might be.
Okay, thank you.
We're in the Mexican section.
Oh, they put us in the back of the house, huh? Putos?
We have 2 closets. 2 sleepers.
Well,
Like the area where they put the gasoline water on the hotel, it has to be.
you think so? What the fuck? This shit just got weird. This place looks pretty fucking cool, classy, and super haunted. Oh, what the fuck? Oh my god, dude. This shit's creepy. We're gonna be here for 2 days. What in the fuck, guys? It's got a bidet. I guess that's cool. Alrighty, guys. Check this out. This place is fucking insane. Alright, let's see what goes down. There's water over there to the right, so. Shit. Fuck. Russian? Okay. Fine, load this car more and more, huh?